Yo, some boy a kill up themselves figure hard. But right now, a DJ easy me say, you know. Yeah.
Just confirms the good thing we've got, and something this good can't be defined.
Sarap mag-fight!
One thing's for sure, that you should be mine. Anything you want, you've got to fortify my love. Fortify me, you should be mine.
Parang puti. Gigilingin. Matatalas na naman yung battery ko. Kanila. Magawaan. May daanan pa kasi rin sa kabila eh. Doon na tayo dadapawi. Kaya hindi na tayo aahon dyan. Siyempre, alam ka naman pahihirapan kita. Pabalik? Pinagandaan mo yung papalik? Yun lang. Pinagandaan mo pala yung pabalik. Feeling na. Ha? Oo. Yun o, tulay. Oo. Ginigiling. Ito lang yung may bayad dito, ma'am. Kasi dati marami.
And you feel that love is gone. This old house would be so cold. I couldn't stay here on my own. Like a free bird in the sky. Is our love complete and true? And whenever years go by,
Bakas ng lumipas.
it will always be just you. This old house will be our home, and the time will be our time. Let's not think about tomorrow. Let the bell of sweet love chime. This old house will be our home, just as long as love shall live. Let's not think about tomorrow. This old house will be our home. You're so gentle, you're so
Ingat, ah.
kind. You're the only one I see. And whenever years go by, it is always you and me. This old house will be our home, and the time will be our time. Let's not think about tomorrow. Let the bell of sweet love chime. This old house will be our home, just as long as love shall live. Let's not think about tomorrow. This old house will be our
I know you're gonna dig this.
All my fears coming through. How I wish I knew
no?
Sweet things to do before somebody tell me what to do. Am I losing?
Just smile for me and let the day begin. You are the sunshine that lights my heart within, yeah. And I know that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hands and together we will fly on the wings of love. Only the two of us together flying high.
Yung alin? Ilaw lang? Ilaw lang ano? Sige. Sige, ano? Ayan na, sakyan yun, no? Ay, ano muna? Umihi pa para Romel.
You look at me and I begin to melt, just like the snow when the ray of sun is fell, yeah. And I
Saan?
know that you're an angel in the sky.
Pero maganda rin yan dyan, no?
Come take my hands and together we will fly on the wings of love. Only the two of us together flying high.
Sugar, sugar, I love you. Sugar, sugar, I need you. Sugar, sugar, I love you.
Oo, ano? Sakyan na, palabas na tayo.
I need you. I told you once, and I told you twice, that you would be the only man.
Sige, diretso lang yan, pre.
But I blew your
Mayroon lang tayong lulusongin tubig dyan.
all my life I depended on
Kanina, oh.
Sugar, sugar, I need you. Sugar, sugar, I love you. Sugar, sugar, I need you. Yesterday you said you were going to stay,
Oh,
and today you say you're gonna go astray. Please make up your mind, honey, 'cause you know my love is always been kind. Sugar, sugar, I love you. Sugar, sugar, I need you. Sugar, sugar, I love you. Sugar, sugar, I need you.
ganda yung ilog, no? Ano, ganda ng ilog, oh, no? Ganda ng ilog. Ano? Picture ka? Oh, sige. Ang kalikasan, maganda ang kalikasan. Kaya na, nadulas. Dito mo na dito. Dito, dito. Nako. Gumaon ba? Kirap. Ay.
Ay, yung bike.
Oo. Sana. Thank you. Ligo kayo, ligo. Masa? Hindi po. Apat lang. May naiwan? Oh. Oh. Baka mawalikan mo yan, man. Pati ano na lang sis ha. Sige, thank you po. Bag naiwan. Naiwan ng bikers. Sabi ko, paano na lang babalikan yan. Morning po. Ganito yung papalagbag. Puro, yung papalagbag talaga, puro bato talaga yun, pahon. Hindi, pwede na, huwag na natin sakyan. Pwede rin pala magbalagbag tayo. Saan ba talaga? Hindi balagbag muna siguro. Huwag na natin. Ha? Oh, maganda ron. Kanan. Kanan, pre. Doon yan sa resort. Doon sa resort. Yung sa, di ba nung bumaba tayo galing sa bayan, may kaliwa? O yan yun, no. Saan? Saan? Ah, yung huli. Oo nga. Tayo yung wala doon. Ano muna ka? Isama ko yan sa bubuuin natin ano. Ha? Bubuuin ko sa mamaya eh. Wala naman. Wala naman salita eh. Basta ano lang. Itong nasa dibdib ko, wala nang pakayan to. Hanggang maglubat siya. Morning. Do it, we still do it. In a way. Yung kinabibi, anuhan mo yun ha? Kinabibi. Yung magkikipag-camping. Wala pa naman siyang mag-message lang daw siya eh. Ano na lang, ganyan na lang, mga banding-banding ba? Pampa ano sa street. Oh, marami yan, mahaba yan eh. Ito yung ilog papunta dun sa ano. Yung papuntang Angat. Yung nagpicture tayo. Oh, ito yun. Yung nagpicture tayo, yung inakyat natin yung bike, papuntang DRT tayo. Oh, yun, ito yun. Yun yung ilog na yan. Lalo siguro maganda sa dati yan. Wala pang, hindi yung, kasi ngayon, yung sa nature pa talaga. Oo, may kinakwari na kasi. Yung wala pang dam, no? Nung araw ba? Oo.
Everybody says to do every little thing. But what good does it bring if I
Bakit?
ain't
Preno?
got you?
Meron nga ano ron, dalhin mo yun.
Ain't got
Kailan ka punta?
you,
Oo.
don't know what it's like.
Ano mo la, pwede na rin siguro yung ano na yun.
You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Ha? Sayang nga eh. Hindi, may ano sila eh, delivery. May delivery.
It's never shown
Kumikita pa.
me. I want my life to be lived with you, lived with
Nakaka-relax eh, no?
there's a way.
Nakaka-relax yung view eh.
Everybody says to do every little thing. But what good
Ngayon ka lang nakapunta rito?
does it bring if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, baby, you don't know what it's like.
Bihira lang dumadaan doon sa dinaanan natin eh, kanina.
What it's like
Oo.
to love somebody.
Saka dadaan ka doon sa paggawa ng simento eh.
Somebody, the way I love you.
Ha? Oo, 27.
I see your
Oo,
face
nagpalit na yan. Oo,
You don't have to be
nagpalit na yan.
like I'm blind, so very blind. I can't help but stay in my state of mind, baby. You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody.
Ayan yung mga bayad-bayad dito. Yung palabas wala na yan. Palabas na eh.
You're asking me to understand the feeling, to forget my own and let you go. Darling, I won't raise a hand to stop you.
Ha?
Just let me say one thing before you go.
Ano pre? Oo, dito tayo dumaan noon. Yung ang daming may umaning. Yung mga may maisan pa. Dati kasi running water yan eh. Ang lakas ng running dati yan.
I believe the time alone will change you.
Yung folding, yung sa'yo okay na yun eh. Yung kay nanay na lang.
Back to
Morning. Yung kay nanay maanuhan ko yun.
chasing rainbows.
Yung sa'yo?
Just make a wish for love and there I'll be.
Hap? Yung hap na? Yung hap nun? Pwede pa naman yun. Wala nga. Hindi yung kay nanay, pagka nag-ano ako, isapay ko na. Pwede naman i-stack lang yung mga ganun eh.
If you ever
Diba? Oo, ano yung ikot, diba? Gastos din, you know? Oo. Binigyan mo rin si Toto? Oo. Hindi na siya lugi nun. Tsaka ano kasi kaso ka eh. Nakilala ka na? Nakita niya yung ano? Nakita niya yung bike pareho nung sa bahay. Sabi niya yung ano? ko ngayon, yung bike. May, yung silvering sa taas yun ang hindi pwedeng mailak eh. Yung sa baba naka-silvering na, yung sa itaas. Morning! Ingat! Bro! Ganyan, tsaka malinis naman yun. Ganyan yung nangyari sa, pumunta kayong ano eh. Pumunta kayong Malulos. Dive yung dalawang paa ko dyan. Ang sama nun dahil ang dumi nun. Oo, mas maganda yan. Malinis naman. Ito, ang dami pa mga bakante rito. Kaso lang, inaabot yata ang tubig ko eh. Oo. Oo, inaabot yan. Baka pa itong kalsada eh. Diba? Ano yan? Hindi. Parang ano? Hindi yan ang palaya? Hindi rin kalabasa. Bakit? Lumumbat? What?
She closes her eyes as I kiss her first morning smile of the day. Then I whisper, I love you. She don't need no sun or the moon and the stars from above. She already has the ability to
Dulas yun.
love. Well, every day she makes another happy day in my life. I have to say how proud I am now I've made her my wife. She loves me. She loves me. She loves me in the way that I need to be loved. She loves me. She loves me. She loves me in the way that I need to be loved. I'll stay by her side, cause she keeps me well satisfied. Whether morning, noon or night, I'll be around. Forget about the silly arguments true lovers they often have. At the end of the day, our love is true.
I would have given you all of my heart, but there's someone who's torn it apart, and he's taking all the storms that I've got. And if you wanna try to love again, baby, you can't love a key without love. The first cut is the deepest.
Traffic.
The first cut is the deepest.
Kaliwa, kaliwa.
When it comes to being lucky people, when it comes to loving me, people, but when it comes to being lucky people, that's how I know the first cut is the deepest. The first cut is the deepest.
Dito sa Nalugaw eh, wala na. Sarado. Doon na lang sa bahay. Langanin na eh, no? May Skyfish dito pag binukom ka. Pang ano lang ba, emergency? Tagal ko rin hindi nagamit yung bike ah.
I'm still in love.
Ano sabi mo na? Oo.
Parang masarap paligo sa ilog pag
Umaga. Kahit sa dagat, umaga dapat. Hmm. Dito. Pagka mali, balik. Full tank naman yung gasolina eh. Wow. Oh. Ano? Ah, yung ano? Ano yan, bakal? Ay, teka. May hawakan mo yung bike mo, nak. Tulungan mo. Oh. Baka yan? Andan-andan, mano yung rayos? Tumabingi? Ay, oo. Didandahanin lang para ano ha. Ano lang konti, mabalik. Sa lilim, doon. Di, ano mo muna konti. Saan galing yun? Roller?
Bumalik ko.
Oo nga, bumalik ko nga. Oh, di, hanap tayo ron. Oh.
Lakad tayo lang.
Lakad. Umiikot ba? Laking ba? Akala ko kahoy.
How I feel my love, mere words could not explain. Precious love, you held my life within your hands.
Hindi pwedeng dandahan ng ituwid.
Everything I am
Dandahan ng ituwid ba?
taught me how to
Para lang makarol lang.
Boy, may ano ka boy, gamit boy.
only
Anong gamit?
Light light.
Flies?
care when I need a friend.
Doon na lang.
Believe in me through thick and thin. This song is for you, filled with gratitude. God bless you. You make me feel brand new. Oh, God bless me with you.
Pag ganun niya,
Kasi pagkapak ng gulong siguro pumalo. Laki eh, nga pa eh. Dapat yun din yung pinang ano natin. Sundo. Pinapo na, tinandaan. Akala ko pumalo na lang. Pumali pa na.
kumano, napiro siya yan eh no? Pag, ano, nahila. Kasi pumasok dito eh.
Apak na siguro, gumanon siya. oh.
Doon banda.
Sa tsunami.
Doon banda na lang. Doon sa may mga talyer dyan, makita tayo. Mga may... Kasi pwedeng ituwid dyan eh, baluktot lang eh. Maituwid lang, mag-roll lang siya, di ba? Ang daming tatamaan yun, pumasok pa talaga ron. Yung parang ano ng welding yun eh. Parang bala ng welding.
And she makes love just like a woman. She hates just like a woman.
Pumasok.
I wanna wake up with you.
I know you're gonna dig this.
I wanna be there when you open your eyes. I want you to be the first thing that I see. I wanna wake up with you. I wanna lay by your side, baby. I wanna feel every beat of your heart. And throughout the night, I wanna hold you tight. I wanna wake up with you. All the love inside me has been sleeping, waiting till the right one came along. You can share the love.
Oh, dyan,
that
diretso
I
ng...
can
Yung binabaan natin galing Bitungol.
You can put the music to my
Yung sa
song.
mahabang lusong. Yun.
I wanna wake up with you. I wanna reach out and know that you're there.
You can wake up with me. I will be there when you open your eyes. Yes, I will be the first thing that you see.
Pre, wag mo presente.
Wake up with me.
Oo, para lang ma-roll ba? Maigulong.
Lay by
Mm.
my side, darling. You can
Li, yung ano, yung... Doon sa baba, yung gulong, yung ano. Yung sa baba na lang yun, yung roller. Ayan. Kaya ka na. Dandahan lang. Ah, paano ba? Angat? Yan, tanggalin mo muna yan. Itong roller. Oo. Yung may tuwid lang na may roll siya.
Yes, I will be the first thing that you see. You can wake up with me.
When no one else can understand
Sige, angat ko.
when
Sige, pre.
everything
Yan.
I do is wrong. You gave me hope and consolation.
Tibay rin nung ano na yun, ano? Ano yun sa building?
Kapal tayo. Alambring makapal. Alambring na ano. Sobrang kapal ng alambring. Bumaon talaga.
Kaya hindi yung alamring bumigay.
Hindi bibigyan ng ano siya.
Yung makapal.
Makunat. Makunat. Yung kurinti na ano.
The wonder of you. Nana.
Nakuha.
And when you
Balik.
smile, the world is brighter, brighter.
Ano mo, kabit mo para malaman natin yung ano. Malaman natin yung kung nag-align. Ikabit mo muna.
Para ikabit.
Para malaman na kung align ba. Kabit mo dyan sa ano na.
Sa pinakamalaki.
O kahit saan.
Teka lang kaya, na-disconnect yung number 2.
Basta ikabit lang para maano mo yung alignment. Ano, ito, yan. Para ma-align mo. Para gugulong lang siya.
Kahit 1 feet ka lang.
Oo, dandahan na lang. Dandahan na, baka mabali.
Yung malaki, hindi ka makakapag malaki.
Mahirap na mag-change yan. Pero kaya yan, basta nag-roll yan, makapag-change yan eh.
Hanap lang tayo ng ano? Bike shop? Calvier, oh.
Oo, yan. Hindi, may bike shop dyan. Di, gugulong na to. May Skyflex dyan. Yan, gugulong na yan. Free wheel.
Gulong yung ano? Free wheel lang.
Free wheel, oh. Oh, may hanap tayo ng ano, shop na ano. Ha? Yung pare, kiko, bigay mo, pare, kiko.